Welcome back. We're keeping our focus on the tremors that were felt in the Delhi NCR region. We are breaking updates now coming in, an official update coming in from the National Center for Seismology that has confirmed the magnitude of the earthquake at 4.4 on the Richter scale. Details coming in that the epicenter was Jhajjar in Haryana, and strong tremors have jolted the Delhi NCR region, with the seismology department posting updates. The magnitude is 4.4. It has hit the Delhi NCR region, with Jhajjar being the epicenter, but tremors being felt in the entire Delhi NCR region, which means Gurugram, Ghaziabad, Noida, Delhi, all of these regions have felt strong tremors, and these tremors had been witnessed at about 9:04 a.m. And we also have visuals that show how objects were shaking when the earthquake took place. It lasted for about 5 to 6 seconds, and the graph that you're seeing on the screens has been sent out by the seismology department that shows the extent of the impact that has taken place. The earthquake and the magnitude is 4.4 on the Richter scale. These are the parameters, and the exact timing of the earthquake is 9:04 a.m. My colleague Priyank joins us on the broadcast, and we were discussing how the tremors were felt in the Delhi NCR region. Priyank, now an official update coming in, 4.4 on the Richter scale, epicenter is Jhajjar.
Yes, Pratibha, that's what we have got to know. That around 9 a.m. The tremors were felt here in the national capital region, and what we have got to know that the Jhajjar was the main epicenter of this origin of the earthquake, where we are exactly yet to get further report that what is the exact situation on the ground there in Jhajjar. The seismology department has estimated this magnitude at 4.4. Initially, it was around 4.1 declared by the department, and now finally they have also released further data. The NDRF team has also issued an advisory for people exactly a few minutes back, where they have been saying that these are the do's and don'ts which people need to follow in this kind of situation. Fortunately, so far there is no further report of any kind of damage or massive damage or casualty which has been reported so far from the Delhi NCR region, but it's just half an hour back when the tremors were felt. We are yet to get further report, detailed report from the law enforcement agencies here in the national capital.
Okay, all right. And in fact, Priyank, we've also been discussing how the Delhi NCR region in particular has also been very prone to such seismic activity. We've seen tremors in the recent past as well, and Delhi NCR region in particular has seen a lot of tremors. This time around, though, the tremors were much stronger than what has been witnessed in the recent past.
Yes, actually, because many people have also reported this on social media platform that they actually felt tremors this time, because every time through news organization they used to get to know, because you know how people in the Delhi NCR region are at work most of the time, and it being a metropolitan city, there's a very few times when people have actually witnessed this kind of massive shock wave which came because of the tremors which happened originating from Jhajjar area. What we can certainly say that the last 24 hours have been very troublesome for the people here in the Delhi NCR region because of the waterlogging there in the Gurgaon, Delhi and multiple parts of the national capital region. And now early in the morning, while they were on their back to the offices exactly around 9:03 to 4, there was a massive shock wave which was witnessed in the national capital region because of the tremor which originated from Jhajjar, from the neighboring state, which is Haryana.
Okay, all right. So epicenter is said to be Haryana, and the advisory, as is always the case with earthquakes, is to immediately rush out. And Priyank, in the Delhi NCR region in particular, where we are prone to this seismic risk, there are advisories that are given out as well. And in fact, the buildings in the Delhi NCR region are also said to be prepared with the disaster preparedness of earthquakes, which are expected in the Delhi NCR region often.
I'd say, Pratibha, there are multiple areas, like what we used to call the Aldora area, which include areas from Lakshmi Nagar, Shakarpur. Then you have in West Delhi, starting from Uttam Nagar, going towards Dwarka Mode side. Then you have Chhatarpur. These are the areas where the buildings have been constructed in a very narrow space, and they're very narrow lanes also, which is very difficult for any kind of disaster management team to operate very powerfully. The population is such that if you start from the West Delhi's area, there is a population of around 50 lakh people who stay in a radius of 10 kilometers of distance. If you talk about northeastern part of the national capital, the situation can be seen more worse. Fortunately, the shockwaves were not that much effective. That this could have resulted into creating a huge property damage here in the Delhi NCR region. But anything above 7 could have been, worst disaster or the nightmare here in the national capital if you consider this kind of alerts which have been concerning. Fortunately, there is no further report of any kind of massive damage which has been reported. But what we have got to know that around 4.4 was the measurement of this earthquake on the Richter scale. Okay,
all right. Priyank, thank you for joining us with all those inputs. So no damage to property being reported, but just look at the graph and it shows you the impact that it has had. All of these regions have been affected. This is where the seismic activity has taken place. The epicenter, of course, being Jhajjar, like we mentioned, but here is New Delhi, Haryana, this entire region feeling tremors, and these were very strong tremors that were witnessed. We also, in fact, spoke to a few people on what they felt when the earthquake took place. They spoke about the same. Listen in.
मौसम खराब है, इसकी वजह से भी हो सकता है। डर लगा था काफी, ऐसे गाड़ी हाली थी। गाड़ी में आप बैठे? हाँ, मैं गाड़ी में बैठा था, गाड़ी हिली थी। भूकंप आना ठीक नहीं है, ये तो प्रकृति के लिए भी बहुत खराब है और इंसानियत के लिए भी खराब है।
हल्का फुल्का डर लगा, बाकी अपनी सेफ्टी रखनी चाहिए।
आप यहाँ पे खड़े, यहाँ पे पेड़ सब है, तो डर लगता है ना, खुले में लोग जाते हैं?
हाँ, खुले में जाते हैं। अभी तो कोई है नहीं, अब चला गया पूरा।
घरों में जो लोग हैं उनके लिए आपको लगता है रिस्क?
बस अपनी सेफ्टी रखें, घर से बाहर निकल के खुले एरिया में जाए आप लोग।
So just to give you an advisory on what you can do when there is an earthquake, it's best to be prepared, and Delhi NCR region in particular faces a lot of seismic activity. So if it is possible, you should immediately go outdoors, stay away from any trees or any buildings. But if you are indoors, then you should go below any surface that is quite hard and sturdy, like a table, for instance, and you should go immediately under that and be safe. Now, usually in the Delhi NCR region in particular, the earthquake lasts for about a few seconds. Like this time as well, it was for about 5 to 6 seconds.
नहीं, तेज था भूकंप, तो झटका लगा, अच्छी तरह से धरती हिली और ऐसा लगा कि बहुत तेज झटका लग रहा है जैसे, तभी मैंने आवाज दी लड़कों को।
बबलू नाम है जी मेरा।
अच्छा, अभी भूकंप आया था, पता चला?
हाँ जी, पता चला था। मैं इसी कंपनी में काम करता हूँ, तो कुछ सेकंड के लिए ऐसा लगा जो धरती हिली बहुत तेज से एकदम, तो हम सब लोग बाहर आ गए।
कितना तेज था भूकंप?
पूरा एकदम हिल गए, थोड़ा धरती से हिला था पूरा, तो हमें पता लग गया था, तो हम सारे लोग, सारे जितने फैक्ट्री में थे, सब बाहर आ गए।
Now, what you can in fact do is ensure that you don't move and stay as safe as possible. In this case as well, the earthquake lasted for about 5 to 6 seconds. We also played out what some of the residents of the area spoke about as they experienced the earthquake. And what you're seeing on your screens are also the visuals. This is from the Times Now newsroom. This is when the earthquake was felt, the tremors were felt, and we could see objects shaking there. And the first thing to do when an earthquake hits, when you can feel the tremors, is to immediately rush out of the buildings and not to stand near any of the trees. In Delhi NCR region, it lasted for about 5 to 6 seconds, and we witnessed it, or we experienced it at around 9:04 a.m. Now, usually during these tremors, there is a threat, or there is a fear of an aftershock that could take place as well. The Seismology Department has also given out this graph. Let me take you through this graph because it actually gives you an indication of what is the impact that it has had. Now, what we do know, which has been confirmed officially, is that the magnitude of this quake was 4.4. Now, 4.4 on the Richter scale, the epicenter being Jhajjar. Now, we are awaiting information on what the situation is like in Jhajjar, whether there has been any report that has come in of any injuries being reported, any damage to property being reported in the Jhajjar region. But look at the impact that it has had. Now, if this is the epicenter, it's not like you will feel the activity only in the epicenter. The entire area, the circle that you're seeing here that has been marked here, in the entire area, you can feel some activity, you can feel some tremors, like we've been talking about the tremors that we felt in the studio. So, in fact, here in the studios as well, the equipment that you're seeing all around, the lights and cameras could also be seen shaking, and you could feel the ground shaking as well. My colleague Amita is also joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Amita, the graph that we're just playing out for our viewers as well gives us an impact of the areas that have been impacted by the quake.
Absolutely, Pratibha, because the proximity that we are looking at, the epicenter, now that has been said, it is a 4.4 earthquake at a depth of 10 kilometers that has been felt, and barely 60 kilometers away from the national capital, which is Jhajjar, that falls in the state of Haryana. Now, as far as we've been speaking of the precautions, the do's and don'ts by the NDRF, that has now been also posted as far as what needs to be done during an earthquake and if there are any aftershocks after that. So following these do's and don'ts, ensure your safety before, during and after an earthquake. And before, as far as consult your structural engineer to make sure that your house is earthquake resistant. Repair deep plaster cracks, walls and ceilings. Fasten shelves securely to the walls. Large objects should be shifted to lower shelves. Have an emergency kit ready. Develop an emergency communication plan as well, and also learn the technique of drop, cover and hold. During the earthquake, stay calm, do not panic, drop under the table, cover your head with one hand, hold the table till the tremors last. Run outside as soon as the tremors solve, and do not use the lift. Of course, this is absolutely avoidable. Do not use the lift. When outside, move away from buildings, trees, walls and poles. And when inside a vehicle, pull over in an open place and remain inside. Avoid any bridges. Of course, bridge collapses that we have also seen. And after, what happens after an earthquake, avoid entering any damaged buildings, and if trapped in the rubble, do not light a matchstick. Cover your mouth with a cloth. Tap on a pipe or wall, or sound a whistle. Shout only as the last resort. Do not waste your energy till the time you are rescued, and use stairs and lifts or elevators to move out of the building as soon as possible. So these are the do's and don'ts that have been shared by the NDRF. Of course, very important points that needs to be taken care of.
Absolutely, and something that people in the Delhi NCR region in particular, and people across the country and the world, of course, should be aware of what you should do in case of an earthquake, in case there are tremors that you're feeling, then what is it that you should do? Do's and don'ts that Amita took us through. Amita, thank you for joining us with all those details. So, as we were discussing, let's take a look at the areas that have been impacted. As I told you, this is the epicenter of where the quake has taken place. This is Jhajjar in Haryana, and that is the epicenter. We'll get you an update of what has happened in Jhajjar as well, whether there are any reports of any injuries, any damage to property that has been reported at all. It's said to be 4.4 on the Richter scale. So it's not a very strong earthquake, but it is a mildly strong earthquake that has been experienced in the Jhajjar area in Haryana. Now, this is the epicenter, and as we've told you, you're looking at these small circles that are going out. That actually gives you an indication of how these areas which are in close proximity of Jhajjar have all been affected. This is close to the Delhi NCR region, so the tremors were felt in these regions. Ghaziabad, Noida, Gurugram, these are all the regions where the tremors have been felt. In fact, a lot of people also spoke about the panic that they felt for a few seconds when the tremors hit. Listen in.
मौसम खराब है, इसकी वजह से भी हो सकता है. डर लगा था काफी. ऐसे गाड़ी हाली थी.
गाड़ी में आप बैठे?
हाँ, मैं गाड़ी में बैठा था, गाड़ी हिली थी. भूकंप आना ठीक नहीं है, ये तो प्रकृति के लिए भी बहुत खराब है और इंसानियत के लिए भी खराब है.
हल्का फुल्का डर लगा, बाकी अपनी सेफ्टी रखनी चाहिए.
आप यहाँ पे खड़े हैं, आप पे पेड़ सब है, तो डर लगता है ना, खुले में लोग जाते हैं?
हाँ, खुले में जाते हैं. अभी तो कोई है नहीं, अब चला गया पूरा.
घरों में जो लोग हैं उनके लिए आपको
बस अपनी सेफ्टी रखें, घर से बाहर निकल के खुले एरिया में जाए आप लोग.
हम बैठे हुए थे यहाँ, तो चाय पी रहे थे, एकदम मेरे को तेज झटका सा महसूस हुआ. फिर मैंने लड़कों को जल्दी जल्दी बोला बाहर आओ. सारे निकल के बाहर आए, फिर हम बाहर भागे और एकदम सारे बाहर आके खड़े हो गए हम.
कैसा फील हो सर? तो कितना तेज था भूकंप?
नहीं, तेज था भूकंप, तो झटका लगा. अच्छी तरह से धरती हिली और ऐसा लगा कि बहुत तेज झटका लग रहा है जैसे, तभी मैंने आवाज़ दी लड़कों को।
कुछ सेकंड के लिए ऐसा लगा जैसे धरती हिली बहुत तेज से एकदम, तो हम सब लोग बाहर आ गए।
कितना तेज था भूकंप?
पूरा एकदम हिल गए, थोड़ा धरती से हिला था पूरा, तो हमें पता लग गया, तो हम सारे लोग, सारे जितने फैक्ट्री में थे सब बाहर आ गए।
Since one of the people in fact mentioned that he was in a vehicle, and we've spoken about what to do when you're in a building or if you're outside. If you're in a car, you should immediately step out, but you should ensure that you're away from anything that can cause any kind of damage, including any trees or even light poles or anything that you can see. You should step out of the vehicle, but be away from any of these places. My colleague Priyank is also live with us. And Priyank, we saw that the tremors were witnessed in the Delhi NCR region, with the epicenter being in Jhajjar. Any details coming in on what has been the impact of this earthquake?
Amitabh, exactly. We are trying to get confirmation for the report from Jhajjar, but so far there is no untoward incident which has been reported from Jhajjar so far. That has been, the information which we are getting. But the impact was such that people were very much afraid. Just a short while back, the kind of advisory which has been issued from the NDRF was also very important for people to keep on notice of, because in that kind of situation, people generally panic and they don't react to a proper situation. But fact of the matter is that there is no further report of massive damage which has been reported so far. But because of the rains, there has been a very slow traffic here in the Delhi NCR region. Plus, a few of the roads have also caved in Gurgaon because of the traffic congestion. And the Gurgaon district administration, in the wake of the heavy rains, has also advised people to stay at home, work from home, considering the situation which is developing here in the Delhi NCR. So multiple things affecting the traffic, work, office goers, school goers here in the National Capital Region is a major challenge, I would say, for today at least, for people who have been staying in Delhi NCR. We have been witnessing that major traffic there in Gurgaon, then in the National Capital, then you have reports of this kind of earthquake which originated from Jhajjar, which is not too far away from the western side of the National Capital and Gurgaon. So multiple things affecting life of the Delhiites and the people in Delhi NCR region has come up as a major challenge today.
Okay, all right, Priyank, thank you for joining us with those details. With that, it's time for us to slip into a very quick break here. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with lots more.